How to make Uber Eats driver account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make Uber Eats driver account. So if you want to become an Uber Eats driver, you won't be able to be one from the Uber Eats app or the Uber app. So you'll have to download a third app which is called the Uber driver app. Simply download the app and once it's downloaded, open it. After that, tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply log into your Uber or your Uber Eats account. So for now, I'll simply enter my phone number and then tap on the option continue. But if you have your account associated with either your Apple ID, your Facebook account or your Google account, you can simply choose one of those. Now you'll have to enter the code over here. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all upload your profile photo. After that, you'll have to upload your driver's license, your vehicle insurance, your registration certificate, and once you've entered your vehicle commercial permit, you'll have successfully become an Uber Eats driver and you will be able to do deliveries from now on. So that is basically how you make an Uber Eats driver account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.